Hey guys, now if you see my last few videos, I guess I can't deny I love doing weird stuff. A 3D printable lighting might sound horrible, and it is. Most polymers can barely reach 100 degrees Celsius before they turn into a melted mess. It's about the worst material you can possibly choose. And that's the reason why this challenge is fun. If you use just plastics, it would last 30 seconds at most before it explodes. But the goal is at least a minute. My end goal is actually around 5 minutes. And it's actually for a future project where I'll need a constant heat source that is 3D printable. My idea was actually to water cool the entire thing. If the boiling point is water, it's hopefully the highest temperature of the entire lighter. While it will soften a bit, it won't completely melt, so it wouldn't explode. At least if you use PET. If you used a PLA, it would melt completely. Now the modeling filmed here is the first prototype. If the design is promising, I'll just keep working on it until I have a perfect design. That was actually pretty surprising. It might have seemed like a complete meltdown, but the water-cooled part is still intact, and the surrounding parts were barely even damaged. On the corner was a bit of a meltdown, but fixing this shouldn't be too hard. It lasted about a minute, and it could have been way worse. The point of failure is actually the part that wasn't cooled at all, so all I have to do is water cool the part as well as moving the refueling and the watering holes to the sides, as those melted away pretty fast as well. Now, small deformations like near the wick aren't a problem at all. The OD hole will have to be smaller to decrease the fuel flow. If it's a massive hole in the body of the lighter, it's a bigger problem. So hopefully the next lighter will just have minor deformations, and once that's the case, I'll consider it a proper success. I actually did try piezoelectric ignition for this lighter, but it was kinda unreliable, so it would have made a bad video. I'm planning on working more on this in the future as well. Now, if you like this and you want to see what happens to future designs, please like and subscribe.